Yeah, OCO. Like to give a shout out to all the Chiefs on the land. And I ain't talking about no football team. I'm talking about that brown skin copper tone. But you see that copper jug though. American Indians of Turtle Island. All my Nijis. All my gods and goddesses, kings and queens. Now I need the beans, melanated beans, carbonated beans, light beans, spiritual beans. All my chosen ones. I'm just taking a stroll today at the park, making sure I don't stop in no damn geese shit. I don't care how natural they supposed to be. I ain't stepping in no duck shit. Sunrise out here. Get a little sun gazing going on. A little meditation. I don't know about grounding right here in this spot. Cause I ain't trying to step in no duck shit. But I'm up. Jump, man. Who can eat you, man? Trying to flip. Nature, baby. It's good for a nature being to be out in nature. Sunrise out there. I might just sit right here for a little bit on these steps. Oh, I remember playing on these joints as a kid too, back in the day. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah. That's a good meditation spot right there. I'm about to post up right there. And the sun right there too. Yeah. Perfect. Perfect. Sunrise. Sun gazing. Sun is shining bright right here. Sun gazing. Receiving these downloads, these light codes. Receiving these light codes from the sunrise.